On November 30th at the Hyatt Hotel, a memorandum was signed between the UN Global Compact and its national branch in Azerbaijan. According to the deputy head of the UN Development Programme in Azerbaijan, Nata Alazashvili, over the last decade, the corporate sustainability in Azerbaijan has undergone tremendous changes. Begun in Switzerland in 1999, the initiative was initially supported by 150 private companies. After 12 years, there are more than 6,000 across 135 countries. According to Alazashvili, the Global Compact policy observes the universal principles of human rights, labor, environment, and anti-corruption. The development of the UN Global Compact reflects the ever-growing acceptance of the principles and framework of the corporate sustainability by companies of all sizes, industries, and trends. Local business interest was represented by the head of the Turkish Global Compact Network, Anshin Dogan. Since 2002, the organization has encompassed 150 major corporations working on different social initiatives. For example, the core corporation created the Dream Academy for people with disabilities to support better social integration. The Eczacıbaşı Group conducted personal hygiene classes in all secondary schools in Turkey. The Economic Bank of Turkey has initiated massive training for unemployed youth to create business. The signing of the memorandum was prepared with organizational and financial support from Statoil.